Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by proving this is your device, because manufacturers and carriers won't remove locks otherwise. Gather receipt, IMEI, or the account used on the phone. Once done, make sure the battery is above 50% and you have a stable Wi-Fi or mobile connection so remote services can run. If you can access the Google account tied to the phone, sign in now. It often enables official recovery options. These steps save time and prevent unnecessary service visits. You should next use only legitimate recovery channels. If the phone is linked to your Google account, attempt account-based options like Find My Device to locate or remotely erase the device. This requires account access and confirms ownership. If that's not possible, contact Realme support or an authorized service center and provide proof of purchase and the IMEI. They will walk you through account verification and, if appropriate, perform a factory reset or official unlock after validating you as the owner. To finish, follow the service center or support agent's instructions precisely. Once they complete an authorized reset, restore your apps and data from cloud backups linked to your account. Make sure to re-enable device protection and record your credentials in a secure manager. If verification stalls, provide additional proof as requested or escalate to the retailer or carrier that sold the phone. If anything goes wrong, the key troubleshooting step is to stop any DI.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.